So here we have the Pro7 cocoa block made by Jiffy. It's a 5 kilogram block of pure 100% cocoa pith, high quality RHP, and it expands to about 70 litres of really good quality potting cocoa. Really simple to expand. Get a wheelbarrow or a container like this and use 30 litres of solution for a dryish mix if you're then going to water in your plants after you've planted them, or about 35 litres if you want a wetter mix to plant straight into without watering in. We recommend that you expand it with water and then water your plants with a nutrient solution such as water with Vitalink afterwards. At this stage now, you can get in with a garden fork or a small spade, or you can just do it by your hands like this. You get a big block like this. As you're putting it in, you can just pour a bit more water on it or get it going quicker. Essentially all you're doing is just making sure it's as well mixed as possible. Some areas will be wetter than others, but then you simply just add the dry parts to those wet areas and it will just even it out over the course of about 20 minutes. You should be able to get most of it wetted up within about 10 minutes, and then you can just leave it to sort itself out and become evenly distributed. At this stage now, when you're nearly finished, this is the perfect stage if you're going to add any mixes of a substrate. If you're doing perlite, clay pebbles, anything that you want to mix in, worm casts, this is the time to do it. And just add them and mix them through before you pot on. Give a mix through, and there we have it. Really convenient cocoa growing media of high quality, made by Jiffy under the Pro7 brand. Easy to transport, and your plants will love it. Really light, airy, 100% peat-free cocoa pith.